everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Stylopers, having a great day. I have a unboxing today from eBay. This is very hard to find. I was able to find it, and for less than $20 US. So the average price is $200 or more. So let's see what I got. Alright, I got my blade. And if you'd be so kind as to subscribe to my channel, that'd be great, because when I hit 500, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. So make sure you do that. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox. This took forever because it's international shipping from eBay. So it does take a while. This taken about a good month. So it just came in from YVR in Vancouver, BC. So, and this was from California. So that's how long it's taking. So it's pretty crazy. And make sure you like all the videos, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you ring my bell. So please do that. Alright, so we're in. And there was no customs charge for this because it was under $200. So that's always a bonus. Alright, so it's packaged pretty good, hopefully. Alright, so that's it for that. Alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh, this is nice. This is brand new, never used. And this is the Loungefly Disney Parks Haunted Mansion Satchel. And this retails for $75 US. But they're going for a lot more than that. Alright, we got Madame Leota over there, we got Haunted Mansion, we got the Hatbox Ghost, we got the 3 hitchhiking ghosts there, and it's all in purple, and let's see, nice zipper on it. Okay, it's all stuffed. Oh, cool. And the, oh, Foolish Mortals. That's what the strap is. Well, this is nice. This is all the purple wallpaper of the Haunted Mansion. Alright, so this is pretty cool. Can't beat this for $20, I'll tell you that. Wow. It's got one pocket inside, right here. Yeah, when this was $20, I was like, are you sure this is Loungefly? But yeah, it is. So it must be just something, maybe they bought it and they didn't want it anymore and they're just trying to like get rid of it. Because the tags are still on it. All the, it's never been used. All the wrapping is still on it. There's nothing. The side has all the stuff here, along with the tags. So yeah, this is great. The bottom looks good, no scratches. It's not messed up in any way, so. And it does have a detachable strap, so you can just carry it like a Speedy, or you can attach the straps to it. All right, so that's my unboxing for today. I am still rocking my Elma in my Prima color. Still rocking that, so this is a very gorgeous bag. Merry Christmas! From my husband, he bought me this. And he even said, which I thought was really super nice, as if I see a wallet to match for my birthday, he may be getting me that. So that's really sweet. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.